That's why he's there eh. I want to spread the floor. And in the last 2 minutes, medyo tentative siya eh. Even Mark, even si Paul, tentative. And I told them na after the timeout na if you're open, shoot it. And Aldridge responds on my challenge. He shoot the ball, he shoot with confidence, and yun. Maganda yung tira niya, and nanalo kami. I'm very happy kasi back-to-back semis kami, but I learned a lot last conference. It's not easy to be in the semis, it's not easy to go to the finals. We learn a lot as a group, and I think yun yung dala namin ngayon, na natuto kami last conference as a group. I know individually, lagi ko sinasabi, may mga experience sila. But as a group, ito na yun. Tingin ko, we challenge, we keep on competing every single game. And sana, yung mga susunod pang game, maging ganito. Yun lang naman yung chances namin eh. And we know na mahirap talunin yung San Miguel. But I think kailangan lang namin sigurong magtulong-tulong. We need to stay positive and stay together for the whole game. Every series naman, importante yung game 1 eh. So, but you know, it's not yet over. We need 3 wins to be in the finals. So, we just try to prepare hard again tomorrow para sa game sa Monday. And small, short series. So, hopefully, kung maging maganda yung game ulit namin on Monday,